Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Design, and in this channel you're going to be learning DIYs that you can use them as a gift, or you can also use them to gift. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to the table. Okay, for this video we're going to keep talking about the Ikonart stencils. And I have these 3 stencils that I already told you before that these are for hard surfaces and these are for fabric, but you certainly can use them either way. So for this video, we're gonna go ahead and test these 2 jewelry boxes that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decorate them and maybe put a name later. Right now, I'm only gonna test the stencils that I received from Ikonart. And make sure that you check my other videos because in the other ones, I explain more about this company. So with these, you can make any kind of drinkware or any flat surface. So the items you're gonna need is your stencil. You can either buy the kit to make your own stencils, or you can go on the site, and I'm gonna put the name right in here on Ikonart.com, and then go resources and go down the page so that you can find people who can make them for you. I did buy the kit and I'm in the process of experimenting with more. This is the paint that we are going to use today, but you can also use the paint from the Dollar Tree for items like this that are not like coffee mugs or anything to drink. Also, you're going to need this item is crystal clear acrylic coating. And that one you cannot spray it inside the house. You're going to take it outside the house. So for right now, I'm going to decide which stencil I want for which surface. So this one I already had. I had it already. So I'm going to do the sunflower seed. And this one here, I just bought it. I got them at the Dollar Tree. They are not $1.25. So basically what I'm gonna do is they recommend that you cut a little corner or that you put back back here so that when you put them back on the plastic, you know where they go. Here we go, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So I really like this because I'm gonna put a little tissue inside, and then I'm gonna put either some earrings or some a bracelet or something like that to give for birthday for my church ladies. Okay, so here's my other one. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it off and set this on the side, and I'm gonna put it like right where the whole thing covers, like right there. So here we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. So when I wanna do more than one color, I usually use a brush, but you can do it 2 different ways. So there we go. So I think I want to experiment a little, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of brown in the middle. And then I'm going to put some yellow on the outside. And I got a towel, paper towel so that I can clean my squeegee right away rather than going to go wash it. So right now the process is, I could have done just one color, but I love to experiment with other colors. You can either put it back in the jar or you can just wipe it off. Okay, there we go. So we have our brown and we have our yellow. Let's go ahead and lift it up. And we start from that side, going this way, going towards your way. So just go ahead and start lifting. And there it is. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and go wash these before I continue. Okay, so I already washed that. This is another thing that you can also use. I found this like a silicone brush spatula at Michael's, and this I get from the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm gonna be a little daring, and I'm gonna do different colors on this one. So I think I want to go ahead and do maybe a yellow in the middle. So I want to put the yellow right there, and I think I want to do red on this side. So I'm going to, and of course this one you're not going to be able to recycle it because they're going to blend together. And then I think I want to use I think I want this one. It's like a gold gray. So I'm going to go, see, I said gray. So I'm going to go ahead and add it here. Right there. So now what I'm going to do, rather than use this spatula, I'm going to be using this one right here. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over, just like that. And then I'm going to wipe it. And I'm going to go to the next step. Just wipe it softly so that it goes all the way inside. And then I'm going to go to the last one. Okay, so make sure that everything is, I'm going to press a little more just to make sure that all the paint goes in there. Just like that. So let's see what we did, okay? Let's go ahead and see. I hope it comes out really nice. So here we go from the top. And we go ahead and start pulling down. And there's your heart. Look at how beautiful it came out. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it aside and now we're gonna do this one. Okay, let's go ahead and try the other one. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and try a different color here. This is a, like a mustard yellow. There in the middle. So I'm going to go right in there. I'm going to blend it in a little bit. I'm going to go around, just turn this around and see what the colors are going to do. So let's go ahead again and peel from the top. We're just going to go ahead and go right in the middle and pull it out. And that's the result. Look at how pretty that looks. Look at that. So now I'm going to take you to the sink so that you can see how I wash this. And then I'm going to go ahead and wait for them to dry. And I'm going to spray this, the clear crystal acrylic coating. And then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and match like the cut to the cut. And put it together, and we go ahead and wash it. Okay. Then we're going to put it on a flat surface, and we're going to go ahead and grab our squeegee, and we're going to get all the water out. We're going to go ahead and set it aside and let it dry, and that's it. Okay, here we go. I did 2 coats of this spray, and I'm gonna put links in the description box of where to find everything. So here's how it looks. I did 2 coatings of the acrylic, the clear acrylic, and look at how beautiful that looks. Go guys, make sure you keep up with the videos because I'm going to continue working with the Ikonart stencils. But for now, may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.